What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to factory reset your Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and tap on reset, and then scroll down and here tap on factory data reset. Now scroll down to the end and here again tap on this reset option to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset option here, it will reset all your mobile Google accounts, apps, settings, downloaded apps, music, picture, everything from your phone will be deleted. So tap on reset and after that the factory reset will be done. So that's how you can factory reset Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.